Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 17 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a ladder of steps, and we've got steps leading up to this house. Age or discolored paper. I've got this old hymnal sheet. Something reflective. We've got the magnifying glass. A quote or line from text, or a quote or a line of text from a poem. And I got "She makes magic wherever she goes." And I'm skipping over a photograph of a crowded place. And the bonus is graph paper. And I've got this little piece of graph paper. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Let me adjust this just a bit. All right. I have been out of pocket for the last, it's been over a week since I've made a video. I'm behind today, but I'm back. I'm just been struggling just a little. That happens. Burnout, I guess, when you feel like what you're doing's not important. Let's see here. Let me get my glue stick, and I am just going to put that down. I guess I've been feeling a little sorry for myself. You work so hard on these videos and stuff, and sometimes you just feel like it's for nothing. Although I have some wonderful, wonderful subscribers that I love and adore. Let's see here. I'm just gonna put that down and just cut around it. But my husband was on vacation last week, and then I wasn't feeling great. And then I just flat out didn't feel like crafting. I guess we all get in those funks every now and then. I love to craft, and I love doing the videos. But I think we've all been struggling, all creators here lately, with things, the way things have been going. All right, let's see how I'm going to do this. I have got the magnifying glasses, the reflective, and I'm just going to put this down. I will repunch my holes, and I have got my house. So I like that. Could go up just a little bit there. And I've got a couple of extra pieces that I thought were fun, that would make fun focal points. So I'm kind of thinking along the lines of something like that. So let me get this down. Now I have rearranged my craft room, but that's another reason why I'm a little behind, because we flipped my room, and it's just it's funny how it all fit before, and you should have more room than you had before, and you realize you don't have as much room as you had before. And just trying to condense and organize stuff so that I can find it, and hope I don't forget where I put it after I find it, because that tends to be the next thing. I think I'm going to like this setup a lot better. I'm out from under the window where my kitty cat kept falling on me, and they just don't know what to think about this room now. Okay. Now I want to just kind of take that on up, just to give this page a little interest. I wasn't really I didn't like the prompts so much this week. I mean, you know, each one was fine, but put together, I just had a hard time with this. And it's just, there wasn't much room. I had to bring in my own focal points. And there's nothing wrong with that. Margarete Miller, it should be just a starting point for your collage anyway. See if I can get this down. My hands are sticky. Well, let me get my art glitter glue because I'm tired of fighting with that. Now this came out of my collage soup images that I downloaded. And I think another reason for my funk, you know, past couple of weeks I've had computer issues galore, and Monday I went to print out something and my printer just wouldn't even cut on. I've done everything I can think of. I even Googled it, and they said it's probably the master board or circuit or whatever it is, and that it costs too much to fix. And if it costs too much to fix, and I don't have the money to buy a new computer, that's kind of hard with what I do. So we're just going to have to wait. We're still trying to get over taxes and all of that wonderful stuff that they always try and take our money away from us. And try to recoup from that. I have avoided online sales and such, and I feel bad, you know, because I want to support a lot of these people. Not to mention I enjoy getting the stuff, but I have learned I better use up some of what I have, especially after changing the room and seeing how much extra stuff I have. Okay, I just thought she looked cool. She also came from Collage Soup, and this quote came from there, and so I'm just gonna add that along with it. There. So this is coming together nicely. Ooh, I do want to ink that. I made the mistake this year of trying to do my own taxes. I used to do taxes, but boy, it was 30 years or more ago. Of course, things change, but I used TurboTax, and I did not enjoy that. I will not do it again. I would, if I hadn't already had to pay for it, I would have just taken it to our accountant and been done with it. But we'd already paid for it, couldn't afford to pay more, and it was just a mess. I stressed, I cried, I did all that stuff. My computer kept cutting off. It would, I'd have to restart it. And then I worked on printing out some new images that I had, the last ones I had showed, and my computer would just do one at a time. And you know, I'd have to push it one sheet. Something that should have taken maybe an hour to do ended up taking me like 3 hours to do. I just want to go around this. It's just been a hard couple of weeks, and I haven't felt good. So hopefully this funk will go away and I can get back on track. Because I love you guys. Y'all don't know what you mean to me. I pray for you. Okay. Now I am going to do some gold splatters because that's what I like to do. There we go. So I'm just going to splatter that around. And call that done. Let's see, I make sure I have everything. We've got ladder steps. I've got my steps. We've got aged discolored paper, something reflective, got the magnifying glass, a quote or line from a poem. I guess she makes magic wherever she goes. I skipped the photograph of a crowded place, and the bonus was graph paper, and I've got that right there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP17 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.